Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a vanilla gift card on DoorDash. So let's get started. First, open up any browser on your phone. It doesn't matter which one. Now search for Walmart DoorDash gift card. You will likely see the results at the top. Click on the first link, choose an amount, 25 or 50, 100, and go ahead and purchase it. Once you have purchased the gift card, open the DoorDash app. Now tap on Me at the bottom right corner, then go to Settings from the Me section. In the Settings menu, tap on the gift card option and then tap Redeem in the top right corner of the screen. Here, simply enter the gift card code and you are done. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.